This short video will show how to create and use the Musculoskeletal browser in iCoder. To access it, tap on Musculoskeletal on the search screen. You can access any area of the body by directly tapping the red square. Once inside an area, you will see the different CPT categories in order. You can go back to the browser by tapping the back button. Tapping on the reverse button reveals the areas on the back of the body. iCoder also gives you quick access to the general, cast, endo, and EM categories of codes. Once inside the code you are looking for, iCoder will show you RVU values and pricing information based on your GPCI location, anesthesia codes, ASA base units, and many more details.